The level of speakers has been outstanding. All of them are experts in place. They have a breadth of experience, not only from their current organization, but from other organizations as well. So they bring a very rich conversation, and they are able to draw upon all of their experiences, which makes it very meaningful for us as attendees. For me as a speaker, I get the opportunity to learn from those that are attending the conference. I learn just as much from the questions that come towards me as I do from preparing to make my presentation. So I recognize that I was selected as a speaker because I do bring much to the conversation. However, the audience brings so much more. The summit experience is one not to miss, for sure, because it's a great way to connect. So just through the table conversations, the networking in between the prepared presentations, as well as even the one-on-one meetings, I've learned that we're all connected as an industry, and that has brought so much to me personally, and it's allowed me to renew connections as well as make so many new connections. It's exceeded my expectations. I was hoping to pick up on maybe one or two of the topics, and every single one of them has been dynamic and engaging thus far. So I'm looking forward to day 2.